doors. I just took some quick measurements. This is where the door is going to be on the back side. So I don't have a 204 here. I'll frame up around this. This is my baseboard, or I'm not a carpenter, but you guys watch this and go, that you know the terms for it. But I forgot. I knew what the term was, but I don't know what it is now. But anyway, this is my studs are going to, my wall is going to be up on this. And so anyway, that's the door back there. And I'm going to build the nest boxes on this side. So, and this will, in essence, really be the front. But I'm not so sure about that. Anyway, that's the progress we've. Okay, so now after I got that base plate put down, I went back and spent a good little bit of time denailing this stuff. Now these boards are not straight; they're kind of curved, but don't let that bother you. Just try to do your best. You don't have to get real super accurate with the measurements, but you do need to be accurate. You do need to take measurements and use some basic common sense, I guess. A little bit of carpentry skill helps, but this is where we are. This is going to be my door, so my clean out. I will drop another, put another board down across there for a header, but I haven't the light to finish anything else, so this will be it for today. Anyway, I just wanted to give you the progress, and I actually went up and used some of these, toenailed some of these boards in. That's a little bit difficult trying to do by myself. I recommend having somebody to help you, and I did drive through, and it's not perfect. It's not. I definitely do not think I'm a carpenter. So if you watch this, try not to laugh too hard. But it's just for chickens, y'all. So anyway, you know what I'm saying? I could pay somebody big bucks to do it, or I could do it myself. So anyway, that's where we're at. But I did end up using some of those old nails. I just bent them back using my hammer and what have you. So I just wanted to show you that. All right.